Hi friends, this is Anna of Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff, and I'm here to share with you a card made with our Queen Anne's lace stamp set. So I'm going to show you how to make this really nice gatefold card with this stamp set, but I'm also going to talk to you about a special offer available through Stampin' Up! Just for a couple of more days. So first I want to share with you the measurements and the information about the card itself, and then while I'm crafting and putting this together, I'll share with you the information about that special offer. So what we need to make this card, we need a piece of balmy blue cardstock that measures 5.5 by 8.5. We need to score it at 2 1/8 from this edge and flip it around, score it at 2 1/8 from the other edge. For the inside of this card, we need a piece of pear pizzazz that measures 4 by 5 1/4. This piece, the white, measures 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And then for the front, we need a piece of pear pizzazz, measures 3 1/8 by 4 3/8. Balmy blue, 2 7/8 by 4 1/8. White measures 2 3/4 by 4. I have some twine tied in a bow. I'm going to do this one a little bit different than my sample, but this is from our Flowers for Every Season sample ribbon combo pack, and some elegant faceted gems we're going to use on the front. So the colors of ink I used on this, I used pear pizzazz for the stems of these pretty flowers, the balmy blue for the flowers themselves, and then see these faded ones, I stamped off on those. So I inked my stamp, I stamped on some scrap paper, and then I stamped again on my card without re-inking. So that's how I got these faded ones. So on my sample, I used the Hello Friend greeting here. The inside says, celebrating all the wonderful things about you. And the set has some really nice greetings as well. So I am going to work on putting this all together, and you can watch along. But while I do this, I am going to talk about Stampin' Up's Get and Go Starter Kit offer this month in September. So this is specifically for those of you watching live in my Facebook group. Those of you who watch this on YouTube, part of what I talk about is still going to be relevant, but part of it, the Get and Go offer, will no longer be valid, so you could ignore that part. So what the Get and Go offer is, it is a chance to sign up with Stampin' Up, which is always an option, of course, but you get some really fun bonus supplies absolutely free. So the first thing I want to do is explain what Stampin' Up's normal starter kit offer is, and then I will explain that Get and Go starter kit promotion just for September. So Stampin' Up's sign up offer, that is always good, is you pay $99 and you get to choose $125 worth of products to add to your collection. So with most companies, the company is going to choose what you get in your starter kit. That's not the case with Stampin' Up, which I love, because Stampin' Up knows some of you have every color of ink and every color of cardstock, and you don't need any more of that. Some of you don't have any of that, and you need to start building up your inks and your cardstocks and the basics. So you get to choose what comes in it. So like I said, it costs $99. You choose $125 worth of whatever products you want. You're going to get free shipping on that, which is almost $13 in savings. You are going to get some catalogs. You are going to get a free paper pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up, and some other fun goodies thrown in. So that's our regular offer, which this month is especially exciting because we just had the release of our new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, which costs $120. So I've had some interest in people getting their new machine. They can get the machine plus a $5 item and can get that just for $99 plus these other fun goodies thrown in. So now let's talk about the Get and Go offer. This is what expires September 30th, here in just a couple of days, for those of you watching live. So with the Get and Go offer, you can get a bonus collection of supplies thrown in for absolutely free. So what comes in it? Well, I planned this accordingly for a project today. You get 2 stamp sets for free, one of which is the Queen Anne's lace set that I used to stamp this card. The second one is called Share the Love, so you can look those up either in your catalog or on the Stampin' Up! Website if you don't have a catalog. You get those 2 stamp sets, you get pre-cut cardstock materials, enough to make 2 different card designs and 8 cards of each design. So pre-cut cardstock for 16, if I do the math correctly, 16 cards and a packet of rhinestones. So that is, I haven't done exactly the math, but somewhere, I think in the neighborhood of $50 or close to $50 in free products thrown in on top of the regular sign-up offer. So it's a really good time to sign up if you're interested. So why might you want to sign up? By far the most common reason people sign up with Stampin' Up! Is because they want a discount on their products. A lot of our demonstrators simply order to get their own products at a discount. Stampin' Up! Is totally okay with that. Stampin' Up! Is completely okay with hobby demonstrators, and I am as well, of course. So it's a great way to get a discount on your products. It's a fun way to meet up with other stampers who have the same interest as you. My team, we have a fun Facebook group that we share things and ideas and card projects and just a lot of different things to support each other. And there's a lot of other opportunities as well. So if you want to, you can offer classes, you can meet up with your friends regularly, you can sell products, you can make money, you can travel, you can do amazing things if you want to do those things. So if you have any questions about the sign-up offer, I would be happy to answer them. My team has grown a lot lately, and we would love to have some more faces in the group as well. So this Queen Anne's Lace is one of those free stamp sets you can get this month in September. I think that is all I have on that. So I hope you enjoyed this card today. Oh, I forgot to add my faceted gems. We can't finish without adding a few of these little sparkles. I just love these clear ones. You can hardly tell they're there until you move the card and then they sparkle a little bit. So gatefold cards are fun to make. I hope you enjoyed watching along with this, and maybe you learned something about signing up with Stampin' Up! I know a lot of times people are afraid of it and worried about the commitment until they hear more about it. And usually once I talk about it with people, they realize like, oh, well, it's not really a big deal. If you do sign up and you're not able to keep ordering with the demonstrator discount, then, you know, nothing happens. We still talk to you. We're still friends. You can go back to being a customer. It's not a big deal. So let me know if you're interested, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Have a great day.